What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube thumbnails into your phone storage. What you have to do, I'm here on YouTube and let's say I want to download this YouTube thumbnail here. What I'm going to do is to just hit these three dotted lines here at the right side. So just hit that dotted lines icon right there. Once you're here, you have 4 of options listed here. And what you have to select here is to go ahead and select the share option right there. So click onto that share option right there. Once you're here, you have 3 more options listed again, the copy link, the quick share, and the create post option right there. So what we have to do here is to just copy the link option right there. So just hit the copy link option here, and then just leave YouTube. We finally copied the link into our clipboard. So just head over to your device and look for Google or any browser of your choice. It might be Safari on iPhone or Google, whatever you feel like. So I will just hit Google right there, and then tap onto the address bar right at the top here. Just type in thumbnail downloader, just like that, and then hit search. Once you're here, you'll then have these search results listed for you. And what I want you to select is to go for the first website listed that has the red and white icon, and it has something that says YouTube thumbnail downloader. So just click onto that option right there. Once you're here, this is how this website will be listed. So it has this interface, it has the full HD, the medium quality, the small quality, and then something that says YouTube thumbnail downloader. This website helps you download any YouTube thumbnail. So what you have to do is to long press here on the address bar and then just paste in the link we've copied from YouTube. And that's it. You've finally pasted in the link of the thumbnail from the YouTube video. So what you have to do next is to either go for the medium, the small, and the full HD. It depends on what you feel like. So what I'm going to do is to just hit the download button right here. And that's it. My file has been downloaded. And to verify that the file has entered our phone storage, I will just hit this little button and just head over to the gallery. Just hit it there. And that's it. This is our thumbnail that has been downloaded from YouTube. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.